Welcome to Fun with Forms, where we talk about how you can best use Desk Director's forms. I'm Mary Lou Classe.
And I'm Jazz Vorlich, and today we will talk about the text form field. Desk Director forms allow you to ask various types of questions to get various types of information from the customer.
That's right, Jazz. These question types are called form fields, and you can use them to customize and tailor your service request forms to fit your business needs. Today, we will cover the text field. Text fields allow users to provide open-ended responses. This is useful for obtaining information that is different for every person, such as their name.
It's also useful because of its flexibility and enables them to express thoughts, opinions, or feedback in their own words, providing richer and more nuanced data, and helps them to tell the tech agent whatever might help them to service their request more efficiently and effectively.
Text fields are used to collect short, free-form text responses from users. They're typically used for questions that require a brief answer, such as a name. Text box fields are free formats so users can enter what they like.
If you need to validate user input, such as ensuring a phone number or email is in the correct format, there are other field types just for those. The default text field allows the user to input up to 500 characters. By toggling the long answer option, this allows the user to input up to 3,000 characters. This is useful when a question requires more detailed information, such as a description of an issue or feedback comment. And finally, by toggling the required option, it makes it necessary for the user to input an answer before submitting the form.
And that's how to use the text field when making forms in Desk Director.
See you next time for another Fun with Forms video.